is giving back. Give back to a cause. Give back to whatever, your family. Give back in doing whatever it is that fills up your cup and makes you feel good. Give back in doing the things that you are talented of, and give to others that cannot pay you back with, financially. But they can give you is a smile, a thank you. When we do those things, we're doing humanitarian work. We're doing things that is a philanthropy. Okay. So give back and help and support others. And I know it's something that it makes me feel so good when I can do something for somebody and they can do nothing for me. It's not a thing where you're being used. It's sometimes you just need to sit and look at your life and evaluate. I'm feeling this type of way, but look, this person doesn't have a home, or this person has all these health problems. It really gets you balanced and focused on, I'm worried about this or this problem, and this person doesn't have any of those things, and yet they still are okay and happy. It kind of gets you back on track and gives you an awareness and a thinking that, I really am okay. Sometimes we feel like our world is crumbling underneath our feet because of things that we can't control or things that we don't like. But when we give back and we help others, it's good not only for us, but we're also able to help others. So when you're feeling alone, give back to somebody. Put a smile on somebody's face. Encourage another person. Be a good listener. Support others. And when we support others, we support ourselves, because we don't have to worry so much about what's going on with us. Okay. Point number 4, pour into yourself. When you're feeling alone, this may be the perfect opportunity for you to pour into yourself, doing the things that you need to do to fill up your cup, taking care of your hair, your skin, your teeth. That's self-care. But also self-love, writing some letters to yourself, telling yourself, I'm proud of you for X, Y, and Z that you're doing. Don't wait for another person to celebrate you. When you feel alone, that's the perfect opportunity for you to boost yourself up and tell yourself, this is a hard time. We're going through a lot, but we're okay. We're going to get through this. This too shall pass. Even when it does not feel like it, we must encourage ourselves. It's up to us to be able to make the choice to say, everything is going to be okay. So pour into yourself through your self-care, through self-love, and through your own self-awareness, being aware of the things that you need. Sometimes we feel so alone, but everything is how our perspective is. Do you have the right perspective? Are you truly alone? Or do you have people that really are there for you and support you? See, these are the things that we need to say in those times when we're journaling to ourselves or we're meditating. This is pouring into ourselves. Talk to yourself in a manner that talks about the positives that we have in our life. I have my health. I have a place to live. I have food to eat. I have a job. Put all your cards on the table. When you're feeling down, and we usually only focus on what we don't have, and we don't really think about the things that we do have. So change your mindset and focus on the things that you do have. Have gratitude. I love to write down at least 3 or 4 things every day that I am grateful for. It helps me with my mindset. It helps me with my attitude, my perspective, all of those things. So if you're feeling down, discouraged, or alone today, write down a few things that you have in your life. I'm grateful for just being alive. I'm grateful that I have food to eat. I'm grateful that I have X, Y, and Z person in my life. I'm grateful for whatever it is, because everybody is going to be different. So how that helps us is when we think about the things that we do have, we allow our mind to focus on the positive, and we don't feel so down or discouraged anymore. So do those things. We have to pour into our mindset. Our mind has to be in a positive space.